Wait, it's not even recording, bro. Oh, it is.
No.
Oh yeah, Ray! Shoot that!
It's open.
Good screen,
Right
Ray.
side, right side.
Oh.
That was mine.
That was a nice screen, Ray.
Whoa, what the? One. Oh. Golly. 3-1.
Oh,
He really just fucking took 4 or 5 steps right there.
I almost fell.
what a team, bro. I can shoot that one. Yeah! Oh, shoot it again. Dude, you had it wide open in the corner, bro.
No.
Ray! Oh, yeah, Charles Barkley.
Oh my gosh.
Charlie.
What is his coaching skills?
Huh?
What is his call out?
Wait, he was open.
We don't need to know that. We don't need to know that. Omit that information.
Hey, why did you even listen to me, bro?
You called it out. I thought someone else was open, bro.
Yeah, I said Ray was open. Ray's open in the mini. Ray.
Why would I pass this?
Was that two?
We have 3.
Four. 3.
Sound. Good, run the pass. Oh, shit. Stay back. Get him that. Oh, my God.
Hell, yeah.
He literally sucked. He's not ready. Yeah, Charles, go out.
Good three, Charles. Ray.
Get him, Charlie.
All two.
That's how David I see like 2 towers in there, bro. I'm not about to try to get getting nervous. Why I got that roll? Is it 4? What?
You got 6, right? Yeah, like 4, 3, right? It's like 6-3 now?
6-3.
What, bro? Yeah, wide open. You missed.
I told you.
Hey, someone clip that.
Come on, Austin.
Someone clip that.
Just happened.
Someone clip that. Someone clip that.
It works. Open
Hey, someone clip that.
Fate of the universe. Fate of the universe on the line. The mark you want, you not want.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, you're wide open. Shoot that. That's easy.
Oh my God.
Damn, bro. So what was that, man? That's easy. Ray!
Charlie.
Ray's wide open. Charlie, walk the factory.
Oh, God damn it!
Yes! Yo! Ray's wide open, man. Oh my
They don't have to score again. We have 5, I think.
Look at this guy.
5, 6. 5, 6. 6, 5. Got Charles there. Charles, yeah. Charles is tough with man. Right.
Oh, shit.
It's almost like 30 minutes.
Oh, whoa.
8-5.
Shut the hell up, Charlie. Wide open. No one's guarding you right now.
Whoa! Whoa!
8-5.
Oh, you're wide open, bro. Oh, make it. Woo! Okay. Oh. What? What? Charlie!
Hey, we'll live. Hey! That's long. Yeah, bro, VAR, bro, they're all over there. I'm so
Hey, take the VAR.
Ref, what do you say?
Yeah, I don't know.
Instant replay. Who started?
You guys started. Wait, did they?
started. Alright, 9-5.
Oh, you guys got the ball back anyway.
Oh,
Charlie! Charlie! Oh! Charlie!
7-9.
No one does it.
You just bench it.
Okay.
8-9. We got big oily guy on
Ella dog now.
Watch him out. Sitting in the house. Oh, shit.
Okay, bro. Okay.
9. What the hell was that? What are you doing? Oh, that's good knee right there. Inside.
Wow.
Hey. Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, that's in, though.
Oh!
You guys got so lucky.
Wait.
Oh, 9-11 now. Favorite number. That's number 13. Oh, we got it. You can't touch this.
Out! You chuck it!
I got you. No, I got you. I got you.
Keep that. Reverse.
Oh,
Not a reverse. That's it. 11 up.
11 up?
Yeah, 11 up, yeah. Dude, I need you guys to
I'm gonna make the layup, bro. I'm like you.
Bro, I fucking tried you.
I did. Oh,
I tried it. You know good, bro.
wait, the same score was last.
Easy picking.
You literally missed open layup. That's 76 easy picking.
Hey, 3-1. It's going to be 5-1.
Oh,
It's over game. Oh! All the way up, cool?
Hey, cool.
Never that one. Oh, cool is wide open. And Alvin for game. Great Charles. Wait, why you on?
God damn it.
Oh! Nice.
We bring back the 1-2 triangle. Illuminati confirmed. Wait, David. Are we live? What about two?
Oh, they need a 3.
Score?
3-2, bro. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah, good screen, huh? Good screen, Ray. Good. Oh.
God damn. Oh.
Hey, man, you a shooter, guy. Shooter. Oh, no.
David's there. Oh, what is that?
Oh.
What an athletic play. Oscar for 4-3.
Careful.
not that dark.
Oh.
Hey, just shoot it, man. Oh, that's good.
Well, way off.
Oh, fuck. Damn, you guys are not.
Turn around! David, go up!
Okay. Oh my.
Okay. 4-2. What am I doing? Yeah. You guys are down 4-2. It doesn't matter if they win the
No, but. Oh my god. Oh! No.
Doesn't stay.
This is our ball.
I don't know that. He touched it. Oh, he touched it.
Okay, 4-2. We're up.
No, I need this team to win. I don't want that.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, make it 4-4 then.
Come on, Charlie.
Oh, that's not for somebody.
Oh, Charlie.
That's not for somebody. I couldn't see that. I thought he was there.
Yeah, we're up 4-2.
Oh, Charles, he immediately went to the outside, bro.
Oh no, he's not playing around.
Go check it out.
It's like in football when both teams send the offense
Check the
out.
VAR. Check the VAR.
Oh, you got 4? Yeah, we have 4. Watch the screen inside. Switch everything. Switch.
Oh, that's over. No, he passed it to his foot. You passed it to his foot, though. Oh, yeah, Charlie? Yeah, I saw him close. Literally
Not even
close.
Charlie in the house!
Let's go. 4-2.
Wait, Charlie, that was a good shot. He just missed it. That was a good shot, though. Shoot that. What the hell?
No.
Ray Charles, the king, the third.
Playing it,
Playing it, right?
Who said that?
Wait, let me shoot for it.
No, not shoot for it. Outside.
Let me shoot for it.
I mean, you guys, he did carry, Luke.
Oh, this guy's good for it anyway.
He was lying.
Oh, shit. Down and dirty. Split.
Oh, I did. That's it.
No, he's not.
Nah, that's all.
What are you talking about? He's blocked that shit
Shout
out.
out Oscar. Hell, not Oscar, bro. You blocked it out.
Yo, we got the
Bro,
last one.
Take the bar, bro. Don't take the bar.
How did we get the one before that? We started the game. You guys started with the ball.
It's been 4-2 for the longest time, man. Dude, just execute it, bro.
Alvin's
Greg wide open. Oh, man, he doesn't even touch Greg.
Good as ass.
Still 4-2. Don't breathe.
Oh!
Never open. Oh.
Okay.
I'm cool. I was trying to get it to you with the ball.
Hey, Abdul, come out to the ball.
Oh, yeah, that's game.
Oh, yeah.
Charlie.
5-4, right? When you want. You
can lay it up if you want. Okay, you can. Good pass. Another good pass.
Oh.
Or not.
Christ, what is happening? Austin's right open in the corner. Damn, bro. What is going on?
Better not play another game.
Yeah. I'm supposed to play, man. Like, what the fuck?
Wait.
Aw,
Why did you do that?
man, this guy's
No.
fouling, bro.
No!
Oh, fuck.
Well, 5-5. We're not playing any game after this, bro.
That's all this guy cares about.
Let's go. Play up.
Nice.
Oh, why'd you wide open?
Yeah.
Why'd you wide open?
We got this. Yeah, guys. Come on.